Welcome back to our Lake Austin renovation project. This 1,500 square foot home sits 225 feet above the river. And in this final episode, we pick up where the work left off and push the transformation forward. With the exterior sealed and the home officially dried in, interior finishes can start taking shape. At this stage, our expanded design services become essential, helping clients select every detail, from ceiling fans and plumbing fixtures to hinges and cabinet hardware. This level of coordination is what brings a strong renovation together. The tile felt like an exact match for the owner's personality. Fun, bright, and full of character. Our team loved collaborating with their family and pulling together a set of finishes that made this renovation stand out. Warm wood floors, soft finishes, and vibrant tile bring a natural coziness to the interior, just the way a lake house is meant to feel. A space designed for hosting, relaxing, and creating family memories that last. Renovations can be challenging at times. There are usually unforeseen conditions along the way, and navigating them takes patience, teamwork, and creative problem solving. At Motif Architects, we take pride in each and every one of our projects. Visit our construction blog at motifbuild.com for project updates, articles, and the latest from our team.